Hello, Vanessa DeVerlay here, and welcome to my channel, Affiliate Marketing Mastery, where you can learn to earn passive income and do it guilt-free. And what are we going to talk about today? The best passive income opportunity that there is. If you're just starting out and you really want to build a passive income, think about the type of market that you're going into, how you want to earn money online, and then make the decision. And I want to show you how affiliate marketing can be passive. Many people, when they look at affiliate marketing, they really put a lot of time and energy into trying to become a salesman, and that is not what it's all about. I'm going to show you how affiliate marketing can become your passive income. Now, first of all, what is affiliate marketing? And let me give it to you really quickly in case for those of you that don't know. Affiliate marketing is when I, as the affiliate marketer, go out and find products that other people are selling, like a vendor, and I promote them for them through my social media channels. And within my communication, whether I have a blog or a Facebook post or Pinterest or YouTube, that people can come in, hear my description about the product, why I like it, how I'm using it, blah, blah, blah. And then within that, I will offer them a link so that they can buy it. It happens very naturally. They're looking for it anyway. So I'm just kind of the go-to person who lets them know, hey, this is the choice I would make. Now, some people might go into affiliate marketing and they want to go out there and go crazy and promote everything, and that's fine. I only choose to promote products that I really honestly feel like are good investments or good products. And most of the time I've used them, or I've at least had a relationship or with the person selling, if that makes sense. So that's what affiliate marketing is. You're going to go out and look for products and you're going to refer them, use the link, the person buys it, and the person doesn't pay you. The vendor pays you by giving you a commission. Typically, those commissions can be as high as 50%. So it's good income revenue. Now, this is the part a lot of people don't understand. There's two types of marketing. There's a disruptive marketing where you're like in people's faces, kind of like when you're watching TV. You're watching your favorite show and all of a sudden a beer commercial comes on and you're like, I wasn't even thinking about getting a beer. But the commercial pops up in your face, or toilet paper or something like that. That's disruptive marketing. And that is not the type of marketing I prefer. I prefer search-based marketing for affiliate marketing because I want people to come to me. So that's where, in my opinion, the passive income comes in. I set up systems where people come to me because they're searching for questions to be answered. Let me give you an example, okay? Let's look at, I like to use YouTube. And the reason I use YouTube as my number one social media platform is because YouTube, when I make a video, it stays there forever. Whether it's a good video or a bad video, it stays there forever. And whatever I was promoting, whatever I was offering, stays there. So I've heard people say that, you know, they put something on YouTube 3 or 4 years ago and then all of a sudden something pops in. It can happen. Sometimes they kind of fizzle out. But here, I did a video on 50% off of YouTube Buddy. I was actually signing up for the program, and they give 50% off to the little guy, anybody that has less than 1,000 subscribers. And I thought, oh, this is really good information. I'm going to make a video on it. I did a tutorial, you know, what it's about, and then let people know about the 50% off. I'm also an affiliate for YouTube, for TubeBuddy. And so in the bottom, I offered my link. And that is how you create a search-based marketing system. People are searching, like maybe they want to know about TubeBuddy. Maybe they're looking for a good deal, 50% off, and they will click and find my link. And there's 2 more videos here. They can go in and look at those as well. So that's where the passive income comes in. It's sitting there. You've already made it. You move on. You keep making more content, and people will click it, and you make your passive income. Now, you might say, I'm not really sure where to start. Like, you're telling me all this stuff, but I don't know what to start. So I have something that I put together. It's actually how to build your online income, step-by-step plan. It gives you an overview of how affiliate marketing works and the steps that you need to put into place. Are you going to read the plan and start making money? Absolutely not. But it kind of gives you a guide, everything one-stop shop, like what do you need to have in place to be able to start an affiliate marketing business. So click the link below, and I have a free guide. Just click it, get the free guide, read it, and that'll start giving you that knowledge, that base knowledge that you need to start building your business. Also subscribe to my channel. I put a video out every single day. I love affiliate marketing. That's where I make my income, but I will also offer other ways to make money online. So if that's not your thing, you get the guide and you're like, I don't think I want to do this. I still offer other ways that you can make money. So check out my channel, look at the videos that I've already made, and I'll keep making them every day. So until tomorrow, or till your next video, I will see you then.